Hello everyone. If you are using Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or any other social media platform and you want to monetize your traffic, then this video is for you. Today I'll show you how you can monetize your social traffic using Monetag SmartLink, a global advertising platform that helps publishers earn from their audience. This video is sponsored by Monetag. Let's get started. Monetag is a global ad network that works with thousands of advertisers worldwide. It helps website owners, bloggers, and social media traffic publishers monetize their audience using different ad formats and CPA offers. Their main website is monetag.com. Today we'll focus on their SmartLink feature, which is especially useful for social media traffic. Here are some key benefits. Competitive CPM rates. Works with worldwide traffic, not only one country. Fast payouts starting from $5. 24/7 support. Multiple payout methods. Unlike many platforms, Monetag combines different ad formats and CPA offers inside one SmartLink. That means you don't need to manually select offers. The system automatically shows relevant ads based on the user. Now let me show you how to get started. Step 1. Go to monetag.com and sign up. Fill in your details carefully. Important, make sure you provide real and accurate information during registration, especially your payment details. Otherwise, you may face issues while withdrawing earnings later. After creating your account, log into your dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you'll see different sections. Statistics, where you can track impressions, clicks, and CPM. Payments, where you can see payout methods and minimum withdrawal. Referral program, where you can earn 5% commission from users who register through your referral link. Minimum payout starts from $5 depending on the method. Now let's generate your SmartLink. Inside the dashboard, go to Direct Link, also called SmartLink. Create a new link. This SmartLink will automatically redirect users to relevant offers and ads depending on their location and device. Copy your SmartLink. Now the important part, how to use it properly. You can place the SmartLink in your blog or website, add it in your landing page, share it inside Facebook posts, put it in your Twitter bio, add it inside Instagram bio or story. Create content where users click a button that redirects through your SmartLink. How it works. A user clicks your SmartLink. They are redirected to relevant ads. You earn based on impressions or conversions. It's simple and beginner-friendly. Monetag also has a referral program. If someone registers through your referral link and starts earning, you get 5% commission from their lifetime earnings. So if you plan to build long-term traffic, this can be an additional earning opportunity. Some quick tips. Always follow platform rules when sharing links. Avoid spam. Focus on genuine traffic. Create valuable content instead of just dropping links. Consistent traffic equals better earnings. If you are already getting traffic from social media, Monetag SmartLink can help you monetize it in a simple way. You can sign up, generate your SmartLink, and start testing with your audience. Now let's understand this with a simple real-life example. Suppose you have an Instagram page where you post content regularly, like reels, facts, or motivational posts. What you can do is add your Monetag SmartLink in your bio, or guide users to click the link through your captions. When a user clicks on that link, they are automatically redirected to relevant ads based on their location and device. And this is how you start earning from your social traffic. Similarly, you can use this SmartLink on Facebook pages, Twitter, X, or even Pinterest to drive traffic. Now, one common question is, how much can you earn? Well, your earnings depend on several factors. The country your traffic is coming from, the number of clicks you generate, and how engaging your content is. If you are consistent and bring quality traffic, your earnings can gradually improve over time. So it's important to test different platforms and strategies. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are some important mistakes you should avoid. Don't spam your links everywhere. Don't use misleading or fake content. Don't ignore platform policies. And always focus on building trust with your audience. If you follow a genuine approach, you can build a sustainable income over time. The most important thing is to get started. You don't need to be perfect from day one. Start small, test different content ideas, and improve your strategy step by step. With consistent effort, you can turn your social traffic into a reliable source of income. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.